You haven't heard the word NFTs. I think you live in a cave in the Himalayas. On the market, they are one of the hottest commodities today. You can see singers, athletes, YouTubers, and even comedians. Everyone is jumping into the world of NFTs. From singers to athletes, from YouTubers to comedians, the list is endless. So, what is an NFT? That depends on who you are asking. Some may say it is a non-fungible token, and some may say it is a useless digital picture on the internet. The weird thing is, they are both right. Think of it this way. Imagine a footballer, someone like Messi or CR7. When they look at a football, they see something you can play with and earn millions of dollars. But for someone like you and me, all you can do with a football is maybe have some fun. The return on investment for you and for Cristiano Ronaldo is completely different. You can think of NFTs in the same way. Now, you may be wondering, why would anyone want to own a digital asset? You may think that it doesn't make any sense to pay for something that you can access with the minimum requirement of a phone and an internet connection. But if you take a look at history, it is not weird, because we as humans have given value to things that have no inherent value at all. For example, the Yurok Indians used shells as currency. Some island dwellers used the size of the vegetables they grew in their farms, and in the 21st century, we consider the symbol on our cars, the number of followers we have, or the size of our houses, to assign status to different people. Since the beginning of time, we humans have played imaginary games that have imaginary rules, and as a species we gather together, agree what is valuable, and then strive to achieve it. These symbols might take the form of money, a Nobel Prize, political power, sexy abs, or a piece of digital art on the internet called NFTs. So one thing is clear, NFTs are real, and they will have real-world applications. The only possible way to not be affected by NFTs is to find an empty room and stay in it. You can choose to ignore NFTs, but you cannot choose to ignore the consequences of ignoring NFTs. Advantages of NFTs. Imagine going to an H&M store and buying a jacket. Now imagine that you cannot wear that jacket anywhere but in the H&M store that you bought it in. That would automatically reduce the value of that jacket dramatically. And that is exactly what happens with all types of digital capital, like 1 million followers on Twitter or the blue check mark on your account. You can't transfer that value to other platforms seamlessly, which is why the world of NFTs is completely different. Because here, even if you upload your projects on different NFT markets, you still have a single integrated wallet, which solves a lot of problems that came with Web 2. Web 3 is the future.